Good morning students. இன்றைக்கி பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா சயின்ஸு டெஸ்ட்டு உங்களுக்கு ஈவினிங் இருக்குது. இன்றைக்கி ரிவிஷன் வீடியோ பாருங்கள். வீடியோ பார்த்துட்டு கரெக்டாக டெஸ்ட் எழுதுங்க. இப்போ யூனிட் 16 புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், சூஸ் தி பெஸ்ட் ஆன்சர். மைக்ரோ ஆர்கானிசம்ஸ் ஆர் மெஷர்ட் இன் மைக்ரான்ஸ். செகண்ட் ஒன், டேஷ் ஷோஸ் போத் லிவிங் அண்ட் நான் லிவிங் கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்ஸ் வைரஸ். Third one, dash is a prokaryotic microorganisms, bacteria. Fourth one, based on the shape, the bacteria are classified into 4 types. Fifth one பாருங்கம்மா, நான் உங்களுக்கு அங்கே மார்க் பண்ணல, ஸோ கரெக்டாக கவனிங்க. காமன் கோல்டு இஸ் ஹியூமன் is caused by influenza. Then next பாருங்கம்மா, fill in the blanks. Dash is prepared from a mold called penicillin. Second one, dash are the infectious protein particles, prions. Third one, the infecting virus particle found outside the host cell is virion. Then fourth one, microorganisms can be seen with the help of microscope. Fifth one, bacteria which has flagellum at one end is classified as monotrichous. True or false? First one, disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens. True. Second one, female anopheles mosquito is a carrier of dengue virus. False. அதுக்கு கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ஃபீமேல் அனோஃபிலஸ் மொஸ்கிட்டோ இஸ் எ கேரியர் ஆஃப் மலேரியா. தென் தேர்ட் ஒன், chicken pox is a communicable disease. True. Fourth one, citrus canker is transmitted by insects. False. Citrus canker is transmitted by air and water. Fifth one, yeast is caused in a large scale production of alcohol. True. Fourth one, match the following parangma. Nitrogen fixing bacteria, Rhizobium. Tuberculosis bacteria, Guru, Pirion. Probiotics, Lactobacillus acidophilus. Fifth one, Edward Jenner, Rhizobium. Next, unit 17. Choose the best answer pangama. Solanum trilobatum is a binomial name of the தூதுவளை. The word solanum is refers to genus. நம்மளுக்கு பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ஜீனஸ் ஸ்பீசிஸ்னு சொல்லி பிடிச்சிருப்போம். அந்த சொலானம் அப்படின்ற ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வேர்டு பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ஜீனஸை நம்மளுக்கு மெயின்டைன் பண்ணும். செகண்ட் ஒன், ஃப்ளோரிடியன் ஸ்டார்ச் இஸ் எ ரிசர்வ் ஃபுட் மெட்டீரியல் ஆஃப் ரோடோஃபைசியே. தேர்ட் ஒன், an example of colonial form of algae is volvax. Fourth one of the following is an edible mushroom, Aspergillus. Then fifth one, plants that prevent soil erosion are bryophytes. Sixth one, the first land plants are pteridophytes. Seventh one, the well developed sporophytic plant body is seen in gymnosperms. Then eighth one, binomial nomenclature was first introduced in the year 1623. Ninth one, penicillin is an antibiotic which is extracted from fungi. Next parangama, fill in the blanks. First one, the word taxonomy is derived from Greek. Second one, binomial nomenclature was first introduced by Gaspard Bachin. Third one, the book Genera Plantarum was published by Bentham and Hooker. Fourth one, monocotyledon seed bears only one cotyledon. Fifth one, brown algae belongs to Phaeophyceae. Sixth one, agar-agar is obtained from red algae. Seventh one, the reserve food materials of fungi are glycogen and oil. Eighth one, the first true land plants is pteridophyte. Ninth one, xylem and phloem are absent in bryophyte plants. Tenth one, reticulate venation is present in dicot plants. Next, true or false? First one, in Polypetalae, The petals are free, true. Second one, binomial name should contain more than 2 words, false. Binomial name should contain only 2 words. More than 2 words kadiyaduma, only 2 words. Third one, artificial system of classification is based on a few characteristics of plants, false. Artificial system of classification is based on morphological characters of a plant. Few characters kadiyadu, adunde morphological plants வச்சு நம்ம artificial classification பார்த்தீங்க அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுறோம். Fourth one, cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin, true. Fifth one, Pinus is a closed seeded plant, false. Pinus is a naked seeded plant. Sixth one, all bryophytes are hydrophytes, false. All bryophytes are amphibians. Hydrophytes கிடையாது, amphibians. It lives both land and water. Seventh one, dicotyledons have well developed characters than the gymnosperms, false. Dicotyledons கிடையாது, monocotyledons have well developed characters than the gymnosperms. Eighth one, mosses are well developed plant in bryophytes, true. Ninth one, the dominant phase of the bryophytes is sporophyte, false. The dominant phase of the bryophytes is gametophyte. Tenth one, the dominant phase of the pteridophyte is gametophytic phase, true. Match parangama. Cyanophyceae, brown green algae. Chlorophyceae, green algae. Phaeophyceae, brown algae. Rhodophyceae, red algae. Then unit 18. Choose parangama. Dash is tough and thick white sheath that protects the inner parts of the eye, sclera. Second one, dash cells are specialized cells that can be transformed into many kinds of cells, stem cells. Third one, maintenance of constant internal environment of the body is known as homeostasis. Fourth one, in the absence of oxygen, glucose is broken down into lactic acid. Next one, the process of air passing in and out of the lungs is called breathing. Then sixth one, osmosis is the movement of water molecules from higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. Seventh one, the erythrocytes is placed dash அதுக்கு பேர் hypotonic solution which has lesser concentration of solutes and greater concentration of water than in the cytoplasm. Phillips. Dash is the structural and functional unit of living organisms. Cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of living organisms. Second one, the largest cell is egg of an ostrich. Third one, dash is a good example of anaerobic respiration, fermentation. Fourth one, dash nerve is located at the end of the eyes behind the retina, optic. Fifth one, the size of the cells are measured in units of dash microns. Then true or false? First one, in hypotonic condition, concentration of the external and the internal solution of the organisms are same, false. In hypotonic condition, concentration of the external solution is less compared to internal solution of organisms are same. Second one, diffusion is a movement of particles from an area of lower concentration to a higher concentration, false. Diffusion is a movement of particles from the area of higher concentration to the lower concentration. Third one, human beings are warm-blooded in nature, true. Fourth one, the larynx has fold of tissues which vibrate with the passage of air to produce sound, true. Fifth one, aqueous humor plays an important role in the maintenance of the shape of the eye, true. Next lesson, unit 19, book bag எடுத்துக்கங்க. Which of the following parts of our body helps us in movement? நம்மளுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் போன்ஸ், ஸ்கின், மசில்ஸ், ஆர்கன்ஸ். இதில் ரெண்டு பார்த்திங்க அப்படின்னா சேம் வரும். ஃபஸ்ட் அண்ட் தேர்டு, செகண்ட் அண்ட் ஃபோர்த், ஃபஸ்ட் அண்ட் ஃபோர்த், தேர்ட் அண்ட் செகண்ட் அப்படின்னு வரும். இதில் நம்மளுக்கு கரெக்டாக ஆன்சர் பார்த்திங்க அப்படின்னா விச் ஆஃப் தி ஃபாலோயிங் பார்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் அவர் பாடி ஹெல்ப்ஸ் இன் மூமெண்ட்? ஃபஸ்ட் அண்ட் தேர்டு எது யூஸ் ஆகுது அப்படின்னா போன்ஸ் அண்ட் மசில்ஸ். செகண்ட் ஒன் விச் ஆஃப் தி ஃபாலோயிங் ஆர்கானிசம்ஸ் லைக் மசில்ஸ் அண்ட் skeleton ஃபார் மூமெண்ட்? snail. Then third one, dash joints are immovable, upper jaw and skull. Fourth one, why do underwater divers wear fin-like flippers on their feet to swim easily in water? Fifth one, external ear is supported by cartilage. Sixth one, cockroach moves with the help of its legs. Seventh one, which of the following categories of vertebrae are correctly numbered? Cervical 7. Then Phillips. First one, movement of organisms from place to place is called locomotion. Second one, movement dash refers to change in position of body parts of an organism's body. Movement refers to change in position of the part of an organism's body. Third one, a structure which provides rigid framework to the body is called skeleton. Then fourth one, axial skeleton in human consists of skull, ribs, sternum and vertebral column. Then fifth one, appendicular skeleton in human consists of pectoral and pelvic girdle. Sixth one, the place where two bones meet is termed as joint. Seventh one, dash muscles is referred attached to the soft parts of the body like blood vessels, iris, bronchi and skin. Smooth muscles is attached to soft parts of the body like blood vessels, iris, bronchi and skin. Eighth one, dash muscles makes the pupil of eyes wider, radial. Then third one, true or false? First one, skull in human consists of 22 bones. True. Second one, there are 12 pairs of ribs in the human body. True. Third one, pelvic girdle is a part of axial skeleton. False. Pelvic girdle is a part of appendicular skeleton. Fourth one, hinge joint is slightly movable joint. False. Hinge joint is freely movable joint. Fifth one, cardiac muscles is a voluntary muscle. False. Cardiac muscle is an involuntary muscle. Sixth one, the flexor and extensor muscle of arm are antagonistic muscle. True. Next lesson எடுத்துக்கோங்கம்மா. Unit 20. Book back வாங்க. First one, adolescence is the period of life between dash years of age. 11 to 19 years is called adolescence or teenage period. Second one, the period at which an organism attains sexual maturity is called puberty. Third one, during puberty in the region below the waist becomes wider in dash both A and B. During puberty in the region below the waist becomes wider in both boys and girls. Fifth one, Adam's apple is a growth of the larynx. Fifth one, many adolescent boys and girls get pimples on face due to the secretion of dash glands, sebaceous gland. Then sixth one, the sperm is produced by testes. Seventh one, dash are the chemical substances secreted by the endocrine glands. Hormones are the chemical substances secreted by endocrine glands. Eighth one, androgen produced is regulated by LH hormone. LH is otherwise known as luteinizing hormone. Then next one, ninth one, during menstruation the progesterone level is ceased. 10th one, dialysis intake needs to be increased to prevent osteoporosis in later life. Calcium. Phillips. First one, Dash is secreted by the ovaries of female estrogen. Second one, the hormones secreted by the gonads are controlled by dash anterior pituitary. Third one, milk secretion during lactation is controlled by dash hormone, prolactin hormone. Fourth one, the male and female gamete fuse together and form dash zygote. Fifth one, the first menstrual flow begins at puberty and it is termed at menarche. Sixth one, dash is usually occurs 14 days after ovulation, menstruation. Seventh one, dash includes proteins, carbohydrates, fat and vitamins in requisite proportions, balanced diet. Eighth one, dash helps to prevent thyroid gland related diseases, iodine. Ninth one, iron deficiency leads to dash anemia. 10th one, in women fertilization takes place at dash fallopian tubes. Next, true or false ma? First one, there is a sudden increase in the height of both boys and girls during puberty. True. Next one, the release of ovum from the ovary of uterus is called ovulation. False. The release of ovum from the ovary, not uterus, from the ovary is called ovulation. Then next one, during pregnancy, the corpus luteum continues to grow and produce large amount of estrogen and progesterone. True. Then fifth one, making use of disposable napkins or tampons may increase in the chance of infections. False. Making use of disposable napkins and tampons may reduce the chance of infections. Fifth one, using clean toilets for defecation is a good practice. True. Then match the following. First one, puberty, sexual maturity. Second one, Adam's apple, change in voice. Third one, androgen, muscle development. Then fourth one, ICSH, interstitial cell stimulating hormone, testosterone. Fifth one, menopause at 45 to 50 age of years. Next, unit 21. Book back எடுத்துக்கங்க. First one, the process of placing seeds in the soil is called sowing. Second one, organisms that control seeds and pest of plant crops is biopesticides. Then third one, the method in which water flows over the soil surface and allow it in infiltrate is surface irrigation. Fourth one, effective microorganism preparation is not used in seed treatment. Fifth one, which of the following is not present in Panchagavya sugar? Second Roman, Phillips. The process of actively growing seedling from one place and planting in the main field for further growth is called transplantation. Second one, dash is a plant growing in place where it is not wanted, weed. Third one, the chemicals used for killing the weeds or inhibiting their growth are called as herbicides. Fourth one, dash seeds transfer their unique characteristics to the descendants heirloom. Fifth one, dash carriers, dash centers serve as the ultimate link between ICAR and farmers, Krishi Vijayan Kendra. Sixth one, several popular high-yielding varieties of major crops have been developed by IARI, Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Then next, match biopesticides, Bacillus thuringiensis. Second one, biopredators, control whiteflies. Third one, biofertilizer, improve soil fertility. Fourth one, bioindicator, quality of environment. Fifth one, biorepellents, neem leaves. Then unit 22. Next, the plants found in a particular area are known as endemic. Second one, deforestation means none of these. Third one, the red data book gives a list of dash, none of these. Fourth one, in situ conservation is dash, on-site conservation. Then fifth one, Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in 1972. Then Phillips. WWF stands for World Wildlife Fund. Second one, the animal found in a particular area is known as endemic. Third one, red data book is maintained by International Union for Conservation of Nature. Fourth one, Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Nilgiri district. Fifth one, dash is observed as World Wildlife Day, March 3rd. Then fill in the blank, match the following. Gir National Park, Gujarat. Sundarbans National Park, West Bengal. Indira Gandhi National Park, Tamil Nadu. Carpet National Park, Uttarakhand. Kanka National Park, Madhya Pradesh. இதோட உங்களுடைய புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. ஸோ ரிவைஸ் பண்ணுங்கள், எக்ஸாம் நல்லா எழுதுங்க. ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். ஹேவ் அ நைஸ் டே.